Hi guys, I'm Matteo Lavezzini and today we tie this fly.
Today, big streamer guys. Fluo Pink Zonker with yellow long fiber dubbing and orange head. Nice streamer for trout, bass, pike too if you want.
Before start, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, but most important is join the channel. Join the channel is the big way to support me to continue to make for you fly tying video and fly fishing video too. In the description below you can find all the special offer for you. Join the channel. Join the channel is not subscribe. Join is different and is not possible from iPhone, but you need to do from or Android, Samsung, or computer, PC, laptop, okay? When you are on computer, you will look on Lavezzinifly subscribe button and you can subscribe, yes, but most important is the other button, join. Join the channel, you choose the level you prefer and you can give to me the big support as possible. And for you, there are the special offer in the description below. But now we start with the fly tying video of today.
Hook is predator hook, long shank with the barb, so remember to clamp it before start fishing. Fix the hook to the vise. Take the thread. Thread is power thread medium. Fix the thread on the hook shank. Cut off the excess. Go near the hook bend. Here I take first flash is holographic fibers orange. Take some fibers from the card like that, cut off, fix down there and the excess back too. Here now I take the tool, the ergo comb to open the fibers. Okay. Now I take different kind of fibers, that is saltwater blend and layer peacock. These kind of fibers. Take a small quantity too and put it back. Fix it and fix back the other side like that. Okay, and we have the tail. Now I take Zonker hot pink, is this kind of materials. I fix the tail, like that, fix it with the thread, cut off here to be easier to tie. Pull it very strong with the thread. Okay. Now I take senile, long hair or pink, large pink. Fix the senil on the hook shank. And put it back like that. Every wrap I put back the fibers. Fix it with the thread. And cut off. Fix very well. Now put it down. Take the zonker and fix it here like that. Cut off the excess of the zonker. Cut off the tail, the flash tail too, will be long like the zonker. Now, in front here, I will put Whitefish Supreme long fiber yellow. Fix and put it back. Fix and put it back. Fix here and put it back too. Back again. Fix it another quantity and put it back. Okay. And we have okay. Okay, here. Fix. Put it back. Okay. Close with the thread, making a nice head uniform, okay, like that. Close with the power thread that we have finished with this kind of thread. Can use a couple of wrap. Cut off this kind of thread. Now I take a different thread that will be microfloss orange, fluo orange. Open the spool, put out the thread. Put the thread into the bobbin. Close it. cut off the beginning, put it inside the pipe of the bobbin, and now I fix it here and cut off the excess, and now start to make a nice orange head. Okay, close with usual couple of knots, cut off the excess, and now go to put it a very big quantity of hardened clear. Big drop today. And make a nice head like that. Continue a little bit to wrap it, meantime it's dry. Make with the comb some systemation of fibers. Okay, and our streamer, Fluo Pink and Yellow, is finished.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, but most important is join the channel. Join the channel is a very big support for me to continue to make for you fly tying video and fly fishing video too. Thanks again and see you next time. Bye!